Guys, do you know the Chinese? Our Chinese is not even the Philippines, because that is the other. I am in the Philippines. Our English is going to the he know the saying of Chinese. The Tagalogs, he know the saying of English, and yeah, our English is in trouble, not to the Tagalog. He actually go to the Tagalog, but he actually speaking of Chinese, because he the Tagalog is speaking Chinese. Yeah, chumpang chong, yeah, that is true. Grateful or any else the good of grateful English. Yeah, grateful to our God. He grateful. Yeah, he can say anything else. He can say anything. Yeah, he can say anything. That means we are in the earth. He can actually say. Yeah. Now the Tagalog is actually the protector of any the protector, or any else you can say bad words. That's the bad word. When you are that Tagalog, you can say bad words, Into English, you need just say noob. Tita Ayana. Di ba yung noob bad word yon? Yung noob, yung top B-O-B-O. Do you know? Okay, guys. Yeah, I told you. That's bad words. I told you. Look this. It say to my mom too. Yeah. It say properly. Yeah. Don't say just a bad word, but gonna say when you're just talking, only can say a bad word, because he's big to the kid. My other kid is bad wording, bro. Yeah. That's great. He have a dad. Yeah. Always mad when you're just a Tagalog. Okay, that is now my earth. Bye!